Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by blocking in the pose so proportions stay simple. Draw a round head and an oval body, then add limb guides. Use a center line to place facial features symmetrically. This keeps eyes and nose aligned. Once done, mark the hairline and a gentle jaw. Keep shapes soft because you'll refine them. Make sure to use light strokes so mistakes erase cleanly. This early structure saves time and helps the character look balanced for the next step. Now focus on the face and signature braid. Place big, expressive eyes on the center line and add a tiny nose and curved smile to make the character warm and approachable. Once you've refined the jaw and ears, draw eyebrows that match the expression. Then build the braid. Start where the hair parts at the crown and use overlapping teardrop shapes to suggest thick sections. This creates a child-friendly, readable braid. Make sure lines flow from head to shoulder for natural hair movement. Finish by drawing a simple dress and a soft cape. Keep sleeve shapes rounded and add a few snowflake motifs or seam lines for charm. Once details are in place, erase all construction marks and retrace the final lines with slightly darker strokes. Add light shading under the chin, braid, and folds to suggest depth, but keep it simple for kids. If something looks wrong, pause and simplify. Adjust one proportion at a time. This targeted fix is faster than redrawing the whole figure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.